Hello, today we're going to be working on the parts of a circle. So labeling parts of a circle. So the center, and that one is in blue. So the center is the point inside of a circle from where all the points on the circle are equal distance, just meaning everything on the outside is equal to the center. And then that's where this is, equal distance. So here's the center. That is the center. The next one is radius. So the radius is a segment that goes from the center to the side. And it's usually half the diameter. So this would be the radius. And it could be going to the right, left, up and down, whatever. The diameter is a chord, and we'll talk about chord in just a minute, that passes through the center of the circle. So think of it as two radiuses together. So here is the center. Oops. So let me erase that for a second. So this is where the diameter is. A chord is a segment within the circle, and it touches one side of the circle and the other side. It can go through the center, but usually it doesn't. And this would be called a chord. It has a starting point and a stopping point. So it starts and stops on the side of the circle. Secant. The secant is a line that intersects the circle in exactly two places. So, and remember, line, that's a big one, line. Chord was a segment, okay? So here we're going to have the secant. And the way I remember it is, see, it can't end. It has the arrow, so it's never going to end. It's not going to have a stopping point. The last one on this one is going to be the tangent, okay? So tangent is a line or segment that intersects a circle at exactly one point, called the point of tangency. So here is the tangent line. And remember, line means it's never going to stop. And it only touches the circle in one place. Okay, and that point is the point of tangency. Now we also have some arcs on the circle. So a minor arc, so think of it as like the minor leagues. It is going to be less than 180 degrees. It's going to be small, okay? And so minor, and it's usually going to have only two letters. So this is minor arc. And we usually use the symbol of like an arcing line or half circle on top of it. So that's a minor arc. It's telling you you're going from C to D on the edge. You're following the arc. Okay, a major arc is usually going to be more than 180 degrees. And this one is usually going to have 3 letters. Okay, so this one is a minor arc. So 3 letters. 3 letters means minor. I meant major. And so we start it with C, follow it to A, and then go to D. that is a major arc, okay? Bigger than 180 degrees. Now, when it is exactly 180 degrees, it's called a half circle, a semicircle. Half circle, it is a semicircle, which is 180 degrees. So it's usually represented by two letters. So this is semicircle. B to D. So this would be half of a circle. Half a circle, semicircle. We're not going to do arc addition. And then we're just going to do a couple on here. So we're not going to do this whole page. So the next one we're going to do is kind of going to be called the central angle. Okay, central angle is an angle that is in the center of the circle. Okay, so center, starting from the center, and it's going to touch the outside, touch the edge of the circle, sorry. So this is your central angle because it goes through the center. Now, inscribed angle will have its vertex on the edge of the circle. So if you look at this green one, this is your inscribed. So it's in the circle, okay? Inscribed angle. Okay, and that's basically what we're going to be doing. We're not going to do inscribed polygons or circumscribed circles, not this week anyway. All right, make sure you review these and have this done for Thursday's lesson.